pioneer in the entertainment business, the group began its activities back in 1917 with the opening of cinemas throughout the years. The group was building and increasing the quantity of cinemas, reaching over 30, and became one of the most important theatrical circuits across the country, building a close relationship with the main theatrical distributors worldwide. In 1984, the VHS format was set up in Argentina as the standard format for home video. That same year, the group constituted AVH, Argentina Video Home. From its foundation, AVH has edited more than 12 million video cassettes to gain a market share of over 43% in the home video market, and an annual income of more than $17 million, becoming the first national editing company of feature films and documentaries. To this end, it is the first exclusive licensee to Warner Home Video, Paramount Home Entertainment International, Universal Pictures International, and DreamWorks Home Entertainment. The Walt Disney Company and national distributors such as Patagonic Film Group, Alpha Films, Distribution Company, Eurocine, Polka, and Primer Plano. The board of directors is composed by the owners of the company, who, apart from being in charge of the different divisions, have an active participation in the day-to-day activities and decisions of the group. The AVH headquarters are located in the city of Buenos Aires, in a building with more than 4,500 square meters, where all divisions' activities take place. AVH's production plant is found in the province of San Luis. From the opening of the production plant in 1984, it has gone through a constant growth. The building, owned by the group, has more than 3,000 square meters. The duplication plant is equipped with the highest technology to get to the consumer's home, offering the highest quality possible for this format. For this, it has Betacam machines that reproduce the master and send the signal to 1,000 professional recorders of Japanese origin. Each AVH product goes through a strict quality control, labeling, and packaging. Finally, the products are sent to the distribution center. AVH releases to the market 16 rental titles per month, and between 5 and 10 sell-through titles. Launching the DVD, Digital Versatile Disc, for the first time on the market in 1997, has widely surpassed the expectations for the entertainment industry, making it the ideal innovation in this area. Strengthening its leadership in the video business, the AVH Group opened in May 2001 in the San Luis Provincial Industrial Park a DVD replication plant, becoming the first company of this kind in Argentina and one of the pioneers in South America. The equipment and technology produce this innovative product in its storage capacities. DVD 5, DVD 9, and DVD 10. The brand new unit, that occupies 1,600 square meters, consists of a complete DVD production line, a screen printing unit, physical control equipment, electronic, pre-printing, and environmental care facilities. This unit required an investment of $3.5 million and has an annual production capacity of 2,640,000 discs. This first-line equipment allows the company to meet the local and regional market demands, offering the best DVD technology available at the best prices and with the fastest replication speed, so that consumers have the best cinematographic products at home.
Congratulations. How do you feel?
I gotta pay.
You all right? Yes. What was that?
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You've been a wonderful audience.
From its beginnings back in 1984, AVH has released more than 12 million video cassettes to acquire more than a 43% market share in the video market and an annual income of more than $17 million. A notable investment of more than $16.5 million was made in San Luis, the main national editing company for feature films and documentaries. For this, AVH is the exclusive licensee to the main cinematographic companies worldwide, independent and national first-rate distributors. With the guarantee of an important financial and assets base, AVH has an impressive experience of more than 20 years, taking the lead in the Argentine video market from the very beginning. The keys to the AVH leadership lie in the quality and variety of the products released each month. The careful release schedule and mix of all titles to increase the potential of each and every one. The combination of the plant's technological equipment and highly trained personnel and staff guarantee the maximum quality of the products that reach the consumers. A wide portfolio that receives the continual support and advice from AVH management. The efficient distribution of all products in terms of 24 hours to any part of the country. A well-trained and efficient sales force that covers the entire Argentine territory. And the well-thought design and production of all the elements in communication and product packaging. Since 1984, the main achievements of AVH have been upholding leadership in the market since the company began, the user's acknowledgement of the product's quality, pioneers in the fight against piracy, implementing the use of the hologram and the colored video cassette, pioneers in the DVD market, with the first national feature film released in this format, obtaining a 30% market share. AVH is the only company producing and developing the local video pack market. The first in releasing movie collections to newspaper and magazine stands. As an associate or supplier of products and contents for printing house companies. Supplying VHS duplication and DVD replication services to third parties. The training and motivation of a constant staff. This means a very low turnover of its 122 employees. The development and startup of training courses for video store managers and staff. To be the first in having a website for video users. AVH, the only ones in developing the rental video cassettes expenditure system called Cinebank. AVH continually invests in all the technological, human, and managerial resources that lead them to the top of the Argentine video market. In May 2001, AVH opened in the industrial park of San Luis, the first DVD production plant in Argentina. This brand new unit, pioneer in South America, required an investment of $3.5 million with an annual production capacity of 2,640,000 discs. The selection of the technology was carried out after a detailed analysis of existing options and visiting several plants around the world. The DVD production line room is a totally closed space with filtered air, controlled temperature, and humidity to guarantee the optimal development of the production process. This room is prepared for a future addition of 2 discs production lines. The DVD replication is done from a stamper. The first stage is the physical and electronic inspection to verify that the stamper backup is in the best conditions. Once the stamper is inspected, the DVD production process begins. Polycarbonate, the raw material in the production of the DVD, is stored in a PC supplier, from where it is taken out for cooling and drying to reach the accepted percentage for the manufacturing of the disc. This whole process is carried out in a totally closed circuit system to ensure the PC purity that will then be transformed into the discs. Since the final product is composed of 2 plastic substrates, the injection molding machines produce both halves with the PC, and then they print the data from the stamper in one or both halves, depending if it is a DVD-5 or a DVD-9. Then both plastic substrates are conveyed up to the integrator, where the discs receive the metallization, which allows the laser beam to reflect the image to the TV. Once the metallization is finished, the sputter handling loads both plastic substrates on the disc turntables, where the lacquer is placed one by one. Then both discs are glued together and transported to the spin-off unit. Shortly after, it receives the ultraviolet cure. At this point, the DVD is completely replicated. Later, each disc goes to the quality control station to make sure that there are no lines, impurities, marks, or folds. This equipment gives a practical production of 720 discs per hour, with an average of 90% maximum quality. Once the production order is completed, the DVD goes to the screen printing unit, where the images are printed on the front of the disc. This machine works with 5 color stations and has the possibility of adding a 6th station for another color or lacquer for special finishings. Likewise, it has an automatic detection system for possible failures in the disc prints and an identification system that prevents a disc from being printed with the screen having an incorrect title that is being processed. Once this process is finished, the DVD is ready to go to the labeling and packaging unit.